Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to create a Xiaohongshu account, also known as REDnote. First, open the App Store or Google Play Store on your phone. In the search bar, type Xiaohongshu or REDnote and download the app. Once the installation is complete, open the app. On the home screen, you will see the option to log in. Tap on the login button. You can register using your phone number, Facebook or Google account. If you're using a phone number, make sure to select your country code first, then enter your phone number and tap Next. You will receive a verification code via SMS. Enter the code to continue. Now, you need to set up your profile. REDnote will ask you your age and your gender. Select your age and gender, then tap Next. Now you can select your interests. You're required to select at least 4 interests from the given options. After that, the app may ask for additional permissions like location access or contact syncing. You can allow or skip these options based on your preference. Once everything is set, you will be redirected to the home page of Xiaohongshu. Now you can explore content, follow users, and start posting. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.